Hello friend, in today's lecture we will learn about the Python built-in function. The Python interpreter has a number of functions called built-in functions that are readily available for use. For example, here I am going for a PNG file. Here these are some example of Python inbuilt function like absolute value, ABS, all, any, ASCII, bin, bool, likewise len, iter. These are one built-in function of Python interpreter. Let's take a particular Python inbuilt function, namely length. So length is also a inbuilt function of Python. Suppose I am having a list here. Just I am going for a list. Let the list name is L. It is having 3 value. And now I want to find out the length of this element of the list. So in order to find out the length of the list, we just simply run the function length and pass list as its argument. It will return the total length of the list. So what is the length? 1, 2, 3. Total length is 3. Similarly, suppose I am creating a string here. Let the string name string s is equal to, suppose let the string is Saroj. Saroj is my name, and after that I want to find out the length of the string. So again it will how many value it will be? What is the return value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value must be 5. So this will return the total element of the particular data structure. Okay, how this thing is possible actually? Suppose let's take what are the method associated with the list. Okay, now I am going to find out what are the method associated with the list. So L is a list, we know already. Then dir. Okay, so now you can see here there is a built-in function associated with its length. Okay, similarly, if I go to find out what are the method associated with the string s, then you can also find out this length is also available for string. That means whenever this argument this method is available for any kind of data structure, then it is possible to find out the length of that data structure by simply using the function length. Again I am saying, whenever you will find a data structure associated with this method, then the length of that data structure can easily find out by the function length, len function. Suppose there is a data structure and we won't have any this kind of method associated with the data structure, then this length function is not possible to use over that data structure. So a length function or a length len function internally works like, how it works like list dot double underscore len double underscore function or str dot double underscore like this. So length function internally works like this way. You are passing a list inside the length, but it is work like this way. Okay, thus note that length works only on objects. Which object? Only on that object which has a length double underscore len double underscore method associated with this object. Okay, clear?